This is mechanical keyboard sound, and this is normal keyboard sound. So this is normal keyboard. Do you know this? How can you make this type of sound of your keyboard? Let's see it in my laptop. I will go to show you the process how to make that one. So let's see how can we do this. So firstly open Chrome. Then after search make bhag in your Chrome. Then after click on the first link make bhags. Then after you can see here download option. Press on download option. Then after you can choose here your PC version like Windows, MacBooks, Linux, which one you are using. You can choose anything. So that I am choosing Windows. I am using Windows. So I will press here. Then after you can see here it started to download. It take time. It has downloaded. From here I will click. Then after press on next. Then after below. Then after press on install. After click you can see a finish option. Then after you can see here the sound has started. You can stop anything from here, and then after you can also use anything. You can see here